Sheree for Just Nailed It for Mask Monday. We are going to be doing a mermaid mask today. Mermaid face mask. It says it is citrus scented right here. So we're gonna tear her open. Let me get a paper towel. Let me protect my mat. Let me get my cigarettes and everything off my desk in case it is juicy. Just in case. Oh, looky. So let me get this. This looks really pretty. Really pretty. And I have got a stray hair on my hand. Yucky. So I'm trying to open her up. Trying to take my time so I don't rip it. This is a paper mask. Look how pretty this is. Look how pretty. Oh, and it smells so pretty. Look how pretty this is. I really don't want to put Michael on over it. Michael. Oh, let me see how long this is. 15 minutes. It is 11:23 in the morning. I'm a little late putting her on today. 15 minutes. Okay, may have to put Michael on after all, because there's no way she's gonna see, but is she out? Is she out? Is she out? Is she out? Yeah, they're out. Let's see. Oh, I put it away. This is the pink one. Let me see, which way does it go, George? Which way does it go? Just to keep her in place. Throw the top away. So this is a 15-minute mask. And we got nothing else to really do. Talked about last week on Shemon on Saturday. You would have seen me play with the temperature changing watercolor. So check that out if you missed it. Great fun we had playing with the temperature changing. We went from hot to cold, back to cold, hot to cold, back to cold. This is a mermaid face mask. Clean face thoroughly, remove mask. First ingredient is always aqua, which is water. Just leave mask 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to do 15. Rub the dew in essence. The essence and afterwards. I think I hit my tablet. I must be playing Vicky. This was not Vicky, it was Michael Jackson. Need to take the paper towel off because this was not juicy. Juicy. So I think I'm going to pause until my 15 minutes is up. We've only hit around 2 minutes. 13 left to go. So I shall return back. I don't know why I started it over, but I did. Our time's not quite over, but I'm going to take Michael. I'm going to take him off, and hopefully my mermaid mask will stay on. Our time is not quite over. I just feel like coming back a little bit early. Just a little bit early. This is a paper mask. It's a quite thick paper mask. I feel like coming back just a wee bit early. Just a wee bit early. Just rub this to my paws. Feels so good. And it smells so delish. I got this, I don't know where. Maybe at Myers, I'm thinking. Maybe at Myers for $3. Myers is a little expensive on the mask. They do have a wide variety. But so does the Dollar Tree. So does the Dollar Tree. We've got like, I don't know, 2 minutes left. And then we are good to go. Good to go. I'm just messing with my phone here, taking care of my collaborations that I run. So keep an eye out for those in our collaborations. I run 3 or 4. One's a watch time, 3 are regular video collaborations on YouTube and Instagram for our pictures and collage. Keep track of those each month. We put out videos, pictures. So I guess we got 1 minute left to go. Uno momento. Uno momento. Kind of slid down. It slid down, I say. This is a pretty mask. Oh, it ripped. Oh no, it's how it's supposed to be. Guess I can take her off. And here I am. This is a really cute mask. It's a thick paper mask at that, so that was kind of cool. Whoa. I'm just going to rub her in on my throat, give her some dew down there. Get your ears. Put your eyebrows back in place. I don't know, just rub her in. So, we are done with our mermaid mask for today for Mask Monday. Check out the other girls that have done theirs. Vicky, Glitter Sparkle from the UK. Leslie from Hillbilly's Creativity. Go run over and visit Pandora's Muse 57. She is doing a Mask Monday now as well. And also go visit My Nails by Jonna and More. She's doing it now. So go visit those ladies. Tell them that Just.nailedit sent you. And that's all for today. Today. So that is it. That is it for today. We are finished with Mask Monday. We will see you next Monday for who knows what mask. Maybe a hand mask. I haven't done one of those in a while. And my paws are feeling pretty gritty. Pretty nasty. So, next Monday I think I'll do a hand mask. I could really use one of those on my paws. Pretty froggy. I'm feeling pretty froggy. So we will see you next Monday for a hand mask. Have a blessed day and thank you.